Welcome to Assembly. I'm going to demo how to set up your Amazon Business Rewards in Assembly. To connect your Assembly to your Amazon Business account, go to your admin section, click Rewards, and select Amazon. Please note that in order to successfully connect to your Amazon, you must have Assembly configured in your Amazon Business account. All of the instructions and more can be found by clicking Need Help at any time. We offer integrations with US and Canada business accounts. Click Connect to Amazon Business. This will open up an authentication window from Amazon Business directly. Make sure you have this checkbox selected to ensure that your employees can complete their purchase without needing to be manually added first to your Amazon Business account by your admin. Select the group you want to associate your integration with and click Allow. Upon successful initial connection, you will still need to finish your setup by providing additional details for security reasons. Again, you can find more information on these details in our help article. You can edit these details at any time. Just note that for security reasons, we do not show the first two IDs when editing. If you do not update these fields when editing, the previous values will remain. Once you have finished the setup, be sure to turn on your Amazon tab so that your employees can see the rewards in the reward catalog. To view the Amazon Rewards catalog, go to your main feed. Click Rewards and select the Amazon tab. Just remember, you can only ship items within the country the store is located. I am located in Spain and the Amazon Business Store is in the United States. That's why you're seeing this yellow banner. Search for the item you wish to redeem. If you do not have enough points to redeem the item, you will not be able to select it. For an item you do have enough points for, select the item and input the necessary details. Input your shipping details. And just remember, the items can only be shipped within the United States for me. Once all the details are successfully inputted, click Place Order. To manage your order and all other details about Amazon Rewards, please check out our very detailed help article.